Hi, this is Mike from the AWS Elemental Solution Architects team. I'm here to introduce AWS Elemental Inference, a fully managed AI-based service that analyzes video streams in real time. AWS Elemental Inference generates broadcast quality vertical video streams from live sources. Also, Inference can detect moments of high interest from live events for posting to social media and websites. Consumption of video content is rapidly becoming a mobile-first choice and increasingly consumed through social media platforms. Vertical video formats have become the predominant choice of viewers. This is causing a disruption in the creation and delivery of video content. Post-production generation of vertical streams and clips are complex, add unwanted delays, and increased cost. AWS Elemental Inference addresses these needs by automatically providing vertically cropped 16:9 outputs in real time. Now, content providers can distribute both traditional linear and social media workflows concurrently. During live events, the need to quickly produce clips of key moments and post them to social media has been a high priority for broadcasters and event producers. Inference can analyze videos for possible clips of interest and provide reference times for those moments. Inference has been integrated with AWS Elemental Media Live to produce the live vertical cropped outputs alongside of typical horizontal ones. Stepping into the demo site for the AWS Elemental Inference, both the vertical cropping and the event clipping features are showcased. Starting with the channels page on the left-hand navigation, Media Live channels can be created and then started or stopped as needed. And along with a Media Live channel, an Inference AI service and a media package are created, all working in conjunction for this demo. To create a channel, you click on the button, you give it a name. We're using MP4 files for an input. You give it an S3 bucket location and possibly an input for the name input. Once a channel is running, you can click on the thumbnail and see the live horizontal and vertical outputs coming from Media Live. These are synchronized and sent to Media Package. The vertical cropping is using data provided by Inference to generate the crop. Navigating to the Events page allows for generating clips from an event. Once a Media Live channel is running, an event can be created to have Inference analyze video for a period of time, say perhaps the duration of a game. To create an event, you click on the button, you give it a name, you choose the Media Live channel that you want, you choose the sport, and then you give it a start and stop time. Or you can do a quick schedule, which allows a 10 through 60 minute selection. So once a channel is running or has run, you will notice that key moments are listed from that event below. These are detected by Inference and provided as key moments of interest. So if we drill into a particular key moment, you'll see that both the horizontal and the vertical outputs from Media Live are actually being cropped. The cropping occurs in Media Package, and the cropped event is actually stored in S3. You're also able to edit these individual clips by clicking on the editing symbol, and you can edit both the start and the end of a clip by using the tool here to navigate to the start or end, and then moving in the boundaries of either. Once you're done with your editing, you can click the process the video, and it will create new horizontal and vertical clips for them. So if we take a look at the architecture for this demo, we see that Media Live is receiving a source. It could be a live source, but in this case, it's a file. Media Live then sends video to Inference, and Inference will analyze that video in two different ways. First, it's reviewing the video for smart cropping placement and sending that data back to Media Live. Media Live is then creating both a horizontal and a vertical output and sending that to Media Package. Inference is also detecting potential moments of key interest and sending that information to Amazon EventBridge. With that and other metadata, it's possible to create clips from media package by using the harvest function, and those clips are then put into S3. Concatenating multiple clips by using either Media Converter or an editing tool, you can then create highlight reels or snippets for social media or website-based viewing of content. So that's it for Elemental Inference today. I thank you for your interest. If you would like additional information, here are some links that may be helpful.